Good afternoon, guys. Kala here. Today, I was going to say street photography, but actually it's car photography. And the reason why I wanted to say street photography is because while I was doing street photography, I happened upon a car being a Porsche Boxster. And while at the time it was maybe a little bit dirty and in a little bit of harsh light, the place that it was in, the way that it was parked, was enough to work with. And I knew that if I just started taking pictures and kind of worked my way around it, found some different angles, that I could definitely take some great pictures without any distractions in the way. So that definitely worked out really well, and I want to kind of show you guys along that process, and maybe it'll help you guys in finding pictures to take for cars, because car photography isn't always the easiest, and there's obviously there are some obvious angles, and there are definitely some angles that aren't so obvious. So I'm hoping that this kind of helps you guys out there, kind of seeing where I'm positioning myself and how I'm taking pictures with things. Again, take in mind that I am shooting on a Sony a64 along with a Sony 90mm macro prime lens, so take that into account when you're thinking about these shots. It's not the first lens or perspective I'd want to take if I was shooting pictures of a car. I would definitely go with a lens that's a lot more wider and not something as telephoto.